this video, we're gonna be doing an Italian beard. I think it's what it's called nowadays. So that's basically when it fades here, there's no hard line at the top. And then we're gonna trim his mustache a little bit, keep it connected, but this is gonna be a lot lighter. And then we'll just blend this in with his haircut. So it's a very popular style right now. So to start this, we're gonna do a number 1 and just go a little bit lighter right here. Right now I have the 1 open down to a 1 closed. This is me just opening and closing the 1. I open it where I want to leave more hair, and I close it when I'm okay with going a little shorter. The idea with the Italian beard is we want to keep this bottom jaw area a little darker, keep the mustache darker, but everything else is just personal preference. I really like this beard style because I don't personally like having a hard line for my cheeks anymore. It's a lot of maintenance. So now I'm going to go with no guard with the lever open to lighten this area up a bit. You can think of an Italian beard as basically doing a fade in reverse, so going from longer to shorter as it gets closer to the cheek lines. Start with this 2. I don't know if you guys have ever been to the barber shop and gotten your beard trimmed, but whenever somebody's trimming their facial hair, it's pretty common to have a bunch of hair fly in your face. So one thing I like to do for my clients is protect their eyes with my hand because it doesn't cost anything, and just helps keep them more comfortable while I'm trimming their facial hair. So now that we've established that he likes this side, now we just repeat the steps on the other side. I think part of being a good barber requires you to have a good memory, because I have to remember what I did on the other side and where I stopped the clipper in order for it to be symmetrical. I think this is also a cool style for if you accidentally end up going too low on your cheek lines when you're trimming your beard. I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and do an Italian beard and just fade that line away and start over in 2 weeks when it grows back. Some people will try to tighten their lips when they're doing this. I think it actually makes it a little harder. So it's best to just have a neutral facial expression when you're getting your mustache trimmed. That looks straight to me. It's good to me.